He got quite agitated cooking just a few clams with a bit of onions there. But I thought that the ladies, they work so hard. They need carbs, they want something more, they want just more, something more than just clams, right? Una pasta, un beso, bye.
To the best clams and the most hard-working ladies in the world. Muchas gracias!
Muchas gracias!
Guys, look at where we are. Welcome to Ribera Sacra.
Oh, man, this reminds me of Scotland. Home sweet home.
It's raining.
Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade.
The rain in Spain is a fucking pain.
Our culinary adventure through Celtic Galicia continues 2 hours east of Cambados to the breathtaking but rainy Ribera Sacra Valley, which boasts some of the oldest winemaking productions in Spain.
What the fuck are you doing with the hat?
Who is the leave it. Who is the captain?
Oh,
is me. So I'm the one who decides who does what. So you go there. Okay. So one for you. But this is not going to work, is it? The sticks are too long.
Oh my sticks! They're called oars.
The holes are too long.
Literally translating as the sacred shore, Ribera Sacra is an award-winning winemaking region and an undiscovered gem of central Galicia.
This is one of the most beautiful vineyards in the world.
In his infinite wisdom, Fred's decided that the best way to get to the vineyards is by one of the traditional boats used to transport the grapes through the valley. This is what happens when you put a waiter in charge.
These oars are too big.
No, they're not too big because you don't know what you're doing.
Oh,
you.
Like you know what the fuck you're doing. Come stand down here then. Like, work it out.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain.
We need to get there, somewhere over there.
Okay.
None of you is rowing.
Let's go, Fred, in tandem.
Gordon, you're going in circle.
We are going into circle.
You're going in circle.
Stand up. That's it.
What do you mean on the thing?
That's it.
It's not like that. This is not the technique.
I'll take over.
Your mom.
But what are you doing, Gordon?
Row. What's happened? 1 second, mind the stick.
Just singing in the rain.
But why did you do that? Why did you do that?
You soaking wet. What happened?
No shit.
Mayday.
Where are we going?
We're going to Esther's Vineyard, one of the top winemaker of the region. Can you imagine the effort it takes to do wine here? This is why they call it heroic wine.
Call it what?
Heroic wine.
Heroic.
For the wine cultivation to be considered heroic, vines must be planted on slopes steeper than 30%. Some of the hills here are 70. And the only way we're going to get to sample a glass of these fantastic grapes is by going all the way up.
They call it Obama wine because in 2017 he did a gala in Washington, D.C., and that's the wine he picked.
Barack Obama came here?
Well, it chose the wine for his gala. This is one of the best wine in the world.
Come on, let's go somewhere where we can have a drink.
This is the Diego de Lemos vineyard, home to the first Galician wines to be certified organic, all processed without machinery or chemicals, under the watchful eye of our host and head honcho, Esther.
Hola. Are we here?
Hello.
Finally, we found you. I'm so grateful, because that was a tough climb.
Esther inherited the vineyard from her parents 66 years ago, and to this day, still works on the heroic hillside with her team. Talk about commitment. It's an uphill battle just getting there.
Esther, we've been very fortunate to see some incredible vineyards, but nothing as spectacular as yours. This is incredible.
Da mucho trabajo.
It's a lot of work.
Lots of work.
It takes a lot of work.
And would you mind if I ask you how old you are?
86.
86. I mean, incredible respect to continue working on these vineyards at 86. He stopped working 10 years ago at 36.
She goes every day to the vineyards, every day.
I'm a fellow winemaker. I also have a vineyard on the island of Sardinia, so I understand the hard work and passion